Welcome to Super Growth Stocks. This is Morris. I want to begin with a look at the broad market using the S&P 500, also looking at a weekly chart. This chart is based on our proprietary model here at SGS known as MOAB, the mother of all buys. You can see going all the way back to 1999 the power of this system. That is the underlying market now that we are dealing with. You see the latest buy came in early 2019 and the market is up substantially since that point. We have two parts to the SGS program. The first part is the trader. We're using the TQQQ, and literally the underlying asset is the NASDAQ trader. Vehicle that we use on the long side of the market is the TQQQs. What I want to highlight today is a number of open candlesticks that we find throughout much of what is going on in this market. Here they are, 1, 2, 3. Many times this happens after a move of consolidation. It begins to gap and move strongly higher. You can see times in the current market that has been taking place. We are battling the neckline, and as you look at Friday's trading action, this market was down much lower on the day, and now it closes way up here. As a matter of fact, an open candlestick represents a lower open and a higher close, and those open candlesticks are quite positive and are indicating breakout is coming to the NASDAQ 100. The inverse head and shoulder pattern on the underlying asset, the NASDAQ 100, is suggesting a positive move of about 12 to 13%, and of course that means upwards of 40% move for the TQQQs. No damage has been done to this market, and we are long in the Q trader at SGS. The other part of the SGS program is the SGS Investor. One of our large holdings in the SGS Investor is FDN. This is leading growth stocks in an ETF, and one way to play the action is to be in something diversified for a growth stock vehicle. I like FDN. It's one of our larger holdings and one of my personal holdings. Note the strong action in Friday's trading action. Jobs Day many times delivers volatility, and yet this market was lower and actually closes with a positive gain as we look at the trading in Friday's trading action. The inverse head and shoulder pattern here is also suggesting substantially higher prices. The breakout from this point of the neckline, which is now activating, is suggesting an approximate 12% rally from the current levels. That's from the point that we are right now. That's pretty solid action. Check us out at SGS. That's all for now. This is Morris.